Excuse me, could you help me? I'm trying to find the train station.
Sure, I can help you with that. Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from the hotel.
Okay, the train station is about a 10-minute walk from here. Go straight down this street and then turn left at the next light. The train station will be on your right.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I hope you like this conversation. If you could improve your English a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend if you want.